language, proper grammar, and voice. Computers do need the same. A protocol is simply some special set of rules used in digital communication to ensure systematic and safe transfer of data over the network. They are also used by nodes on a network when they communicate. Without proper protocols, no effective communication can take place. They are used everywhere, from sending emails to visiting websites. Everything you send and receive from the internet work according to these protocols. These protocols exist in several layers of a network OSI model. Do check out my video on OSI model from the I button. So here are some important protocols used in common communications. Number 1. The Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP. It is the backbone of all the internet communication. The TCP defines how to establish communication so that the programs can exchange data. It works along with the Internet Protocol or IP, defining how computers send and receive packets of data over the network. If a packet gets dropped or lost, the TCP will ask to resend it. So it is often designated as the TCP IP. It exists at the layer 4 of the OSI model, which is the transport layer. For example, if a server wants to send an HTML file to a client, it will send it via HTTP protocol. So the HTTP layer asks the TCP layer to set up the connection. The TCP breaks the file into packets, numbers them, and asks the IP protocol to get the destination address. The TCP then delivers the packets, which ultimately combine up at the target to retrieve the original HTML file. Number 2. The User Datagram Protocol, or UDP protocol. This protocol is similar to the TCP, but is used when small size data is involved. If the UDP protocol is used, the packets of data are called datagrams. It is not that effective in error correction as the TCP does. It is also used along with the IP protocol as UDP-IP. It is commonly used in gaming, video conferencing, where some data loss is tolerable but needs less latency. It also exists as the layer 4 of the OSI model. Number 3. Mail protocols SMTP and POP3. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the most widely used protocol for sending mails. It works on port 25 and uses TCP for the transmission of email data in packets. The most commonly used protocol for receiving emails is Post Office Protocol, or POP. It is currently in version 3. Another powerful protocol used at the receiver side is IMAP, expanded as Internet Message Access Protocol. It stores the mail on the mail server and allows user to access the mails at his ease. Since IMAP uses authentication services, it can be easily interfered by anyone who knows how to steal a password. So it is vital to ensure security and encryption for IMAP. Number 4. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Web pages are made in hypertext markup language. These HTML pages or web pages are transmitted via the HTTP protocol. It also uses TCP IP for web page transmission. Another form of HTTP, known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, provides transmission of data in encrypted form to prevent leakage of sensitive data. Number 5. File Transfer Protocol. The FTP protocol provides a method to copy files over the network from one computer to another. Today, it's widely used for downloading and uploading files over a website. The files of a web page are also hosted and uploaded on an FTP server. It uses TCP IP to enable data transfer. So these were some of the basic and major computer protocols on which networking relies. That's all in this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such technical knowledge. Do let me know about your queries and questions in the comment section below. So until next video, stay tuned, keep watching and goodbye.